All right, so let's get into the specs for these wheels. They're 19-inch wheel made by Work. These are the Work ZR10 two-piece wheels. So what that means is you have the face right here, and then you have the whole drum itself or barrel, and this part is welded to make it one wheel. So it's not a forged wheel where it's one block of aluminum was chiseled out or machined out. It's two separate pieces that was welded together. And if you look back here, you can see the bead of welding right back here that joins the two parts together. Okay, so with that, like I said, they're 19-inch, they're 9.5 in the front, and on the front I am running 245/35/19 tires, and so that's on the front. And the offset I'll get to in a second. And the width on these are 11, also 19. And on the rear I am running 275/35/19s. So I have had a few people reach out to me on other platforms. Obviously my email and stuff is on YouTube, and so people have reached out to me asking me what are the specs on these wheels. So I'm gonna give it to you now. Initially I wasn't gonna put my specs out there because I feel like, you know, as a car guy and you're trying to set your car a certain way, you should go and do your own research and figure out what you want to do or how you want your fitment to be. But you can use these numbers I am about to give you as a reference, so you can then alter, add or take away to get your wheels how you'd want them. So again, 19 all the way around, 9.5 in the front, 11 on the rears. The offset is 35. It's 35 offset on the front, 35 on the back. So 35 all the way around, 19 all the way around. The only difference is the fronts are 9.5 and 11 on the rear. That's my choice. That's how I wanted to set my car up. However, these are not written in stone. These are just my numbers, and people have been asking me and reached out to some of my homies and family and like, hey, find out what your cousin numbers are, you know, because I want to use it as a reference. So in that aspect, I guess I appreciate that people are looking at my content and trying to use my I guess my reference point as a source for their reference. So I figured I would just be a good dude and share my numbers. But on that note, thanks for watching. Again, this is just a video of pretty much installing the new setup on the car, and you know, giving you guys an idea what the numbers are, so you can use it for your baseline as needed. So as always, I'm out.